Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 941. This essential form is used by employers to report income taxes, Social Security tax, and Medicare tax withheld from employee paychecks. You will also report your share of Social Security and Medicare taxes. Most employers who pay wages subject to these withholdings must file Form 941 every 3 months. This form helps the IRS track your quarterly tax liability and payments. Next, let's dive into the calculations. You'll start by reporting the total amount of wages, tips, and other compensation paid to all your employees during the quarter. Then, you'll calculate the total federal income tax you withheld from their pay. Don't forget to figure out the Social Security and Medicare taxes, which are based on specific percentages of taxable wages, typically 6.2% for Social Security and 1.45% for Medicare. Now, let's talk about your deposits and any credits. You'll need to enter your total tax liability for the quarter, which includes both the employer and employee portions of Social Security and Medicare taxes, plus federal income tax withheld. Then, report all the federal tax deposits you've already made for that quarter. Be sure to include any non-refundable credits you qualify for, such as those related to qualified sick and family leave wages. Finally, it's time to review and submit your Form 941. Double-check every entry to ensure accuracy and prevent any potential errors. An authorized person, such as the owner or a corporate officer, must sign and date the form. Once everything is complete and accurate, submit your Form 941 to the Internal Revenue Service by the quarterly deadline. Remember, timely and accurate filing is crucial for compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.